ourselves a Ford Ranger here that's been lifted to the moon. With 2 spacer blocks. Holy crap. Oh, there's a B&M shifter and everything. Wow. Oh, no, okay. Little small block, all right. I take it back. This thing would have been a little fun little ripper, that's for sure. Huh. Little 2-barrel. Okay, we got a 1980 Pontiac Firebird with a legendary 301 turbo. This is GM's early on attempts of a turbo car. Yeah, it's 4.9, it's a 301 Pontiac with a relatively small turbo, but that's a little stuck. But yeah, somebody took the downpipe. But yeah, it's a really neat setup. Didn't make much on power, but it was all right. Yeah, the windshield's not cracked. It's just dirt. Yeah, the front end's going off of it. Tri shaft. I mean, the bottom of the door is a little crunchy, but oh yeah. 4-wheel disc. Oh yeah, somebody took the axle. Oh yeah, this is what's going on. These are actually pretty good shape, except for oh, that's not part of that. Okay, well, I mean, it's not too bad. Bumper actually looks pretty good. Almost famous, huh? I'm not gonna. Oh, yep. This has been a Michigan car its entire life. Firebird. I'm not gonna. That's a rodent poop city there, so this is as close as I'm gonna get inside this car. Automatic, obviously, and looks like all the gauges and everything are all gone. Door's sagging, won't close. Yeah, it's really it. Shame all this was left open, but I believe the carb mount and stuff, then the turbo and intake get a little bit of money for. I don't know, I like oddball engines from GM and stuff, so, but yeah, that's really about it. I didn't actually see a real Firebird here, but it is what it is. Give on parts and stuff to the next car. That's actually what they came for, the transmission linkage bracket. So, but shall live on. So thanks for tuning in, and make sure to like, subscribe, and follow me on other socials like TikTok and Instagram. Everything is all D&D Performance Engines, so just search that and you'll find me. So I'll catch you guys later.